Hey, what's up? Welcome to DW Productions, everybody. If you're watching this video, you are looking at the Rengu 10-digit wireless RV key lock. The video that you're going to be watching today is how to change your batteries with best practice on this particular guy right behind me. Now, this lock came with its own little toolkit here. So you're going to notice that you got a small screw that's right there on that tab. Now, when you go to open this thing up, it is indeed going to pop out on you and the batteries are going to drop. And putting this thing back in place, you're going to find yourself fighting with it. So this video is going to give you a quick tip how to get it changed out with ease. So there we go. I'm going to go pull off this lock, or the plate I should say, and out pops the battery. So everything fell out. You're going to want to get yourself, guys, some electrical tape. First thing that you're going to do before you go to put any of these batteries in place, pull off roughly about a 2 to 3 inch strip of electrical tape. Right about there. Just as so. Now, let me zoom you guys in here. Let's see. Bring in for a closer look. Let's see if that gets you any closer. And bring you up. All right, so you're gonna notice 3 tabs, one right there. So you got 1, 2, and 3. So of these 3 tabs, that is where the main cover, the locking plate, it locks in, slides into there. So to get this guy changed out with the best practices, you're going to take that first strip of electrical tape, you're going to kind of stick it in place without actually pressing it down into this valley. So that's going to be step number 1. Then you're going to take your first 2 batteries. So obviously the negative side is going to be on the spring on the bottom. You're going to hold it with your finger, put the other side down on the other bottom end. Then you're going to fold your piece of tape over. You don't have to stick it very firmly, just enough to where it keeps it balanced. And then you're going to pull off another set of about 3 inches of electrical tape. You're going to do the same thing on the top. But you're going to want to make sure you do not cover any one of those 3 little tabs I was showing you, those inlet holes. So that way you give yourself room to put this cover on place. Let's go get the next set. Put these on here, and next one down. Otherwise, you guys are going to have a fun time putting these batteries constantly in and out. So as you can see, batteries are holding in place. I'm going to get my cover now. You're not going to clamp this thing down. You're going to give yourself a little bit of space just to keep it to where the batteries stay in place. Go ahead and take your top piece of tape out. You're going to pull it like a pull tab. Take the other one, pull as a pull tab. There you have it. That's the quick trick to get your batteries in place, guys. Best practice. Thank you all for watching. Like and subscribe, DW Productions.